Got trees that need no fuss, consistent watering? Hoselink's new under tree sprinkler irrigation kit is designed to help them thrive. This kit is ideal for fruit trees, ornamental trees, and larger plants that need wide, even water coverage at the base and roots. At the heart of the system is the sprinkler spike, which delivers an even spray directly under each tree. Need more coverage? Just take off the built-in deflector to expand the spray from 1.6 to 5 meters in diameter. This allows you to increase the sprinkler coverage as your trees grow and the roots expand. Whether you've got citrus, stone fruit, or natives, this system takes care of the heavy lifting for you. The kit includes 5 sprinkler spikes, plus all the fittings, tubing, and connectors you need to get started. The system starts at the tap, where you'll connect the pressure regulator and the 13mm nut and tail. We recommend running an initial piece of tubing to ground level, then use an elbow joint to connect your main line. Place the mainline tubing in the sun. This will help with flexibility. Then, lay it out around your trees in your desired formation. Use elbows, tees, and joiners to route the system how you need, straight line or full circuit. Once you've finalised your layout, secure it with the included hold-down stakes. Once the tubing's in place, push the self-piercing adapters directly into the main line where you want your sprinklers to sit. Then insert your sprinkler spikes into the ground. If you're having issues piercing the tube, you can use the built-in key punch on the end of the sprinkler spike to create a hole. After installation, flush the system to clear out any debris, then plug the ends to close the line, and you're ready to go. However, if you've placed a full circuit like I have, you'll have to remove each 4mm sprinkler tubing from your main line and flush the system with water that way. Need to make a change? No stress. Just plug unwanted holes with a goof plug and keep watering. The under tree irrigation kit is built tough with long life components, UV-stabilised materials, and a smart anti-insect spinner to prevent blockages. You can even upgrade your setup with extras like filters, valves, and additional sprinkler spikes. This kit is the easiest way to give your trees consistent, deeper, and wider watering without dragging the hose around. With wide, even coverage and low effort maintenance, it's a smart choice for every tree lover. I've set mine up in late winter, but honestly, any time is a great time to get your kit set up to make your garden watering smarter. Hoselink's Under Tree Sprinkler Irrigation Kit, designed for deeper watering and healthier trees. And it's just one of 3 new irrigation kits from Hoselink. Happy watering.